Hello, South Florida. My name's Eric. I'm with Paul Davis Restoration of Broward and North Dade. My position here is a technician, ESD technician, and I started about good, let's just say a long time ago. A couple years in the business now. My favorite part about working with Paul Davis has to be, the family connection. It's just, you feel like it's a family. You feel like you can rely on people when you need them. I've been with other companies and you know, you ask somebody to pull you a favor and they look at you twice. But here, if it's for Paul Davis and for the greater good, then definitely these guys are always willing to help. We have a great team. So that's one of the things that I can just really love about this company. Well, my free time, I love to work out. It's a therapy for me. You know, when day's going wrong, you know, you gotta hit the weight. The iron's not gonna pump itself.
We want to pump you up.
Enjoy time with my family. I love my daughter. She's my motivation for everything in life. And that's about it. All right, well, I look forward to all the future endeavors that we have to encounter with Paul Davis. Can't wait. This is gonna be a good journey. You know, life's full of experiences, and I can't wait to experience this.